This is the elevator here at Bloomingdale's, King of Prussia Mall, King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. That lights up. Let's go to 3. Button already went out. Floor indicator completely burned out. Go back down to 1. Door closed when you push the button out like that. Let's get a cab view. I'm sorry to say this, but this is nicer than the Bloomingdales in Willow Grove. Here we are at 1. Take another ride. Come on in. Going up?
Yep. Come on. That's it.
Go ahead.
You're gonna go up first. Are you going down?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't see why they could have taken that on the freight elevator. This one button's kind of messed up. There we go. Let's get you your cab view. Oh, I already got one. I did the same thing in Macy's. Now I'll go up to 2 and end our tour. We'll close up. There it goes, and that's it.